I started my digital marketing career 10 years ago. The first time I touched base on digital marketing was SEO. But that time, I got completely no idea. I didn't even know I was actually doing digital marketing stuff. But fortunately, I got a great manager who taught me a lot of SEO knowledge, and I got fascinated by digital marketing quickly. And that time I knew I wanted to be a full-stack digital marketer. And so I started actively learning every aspect in digital marketing myself. So now looking back, if I need to learn digital marketing over again, there's certain things I would definitely have done sooner so to make my path so much easier. If you're just starting out your digital marketing journey, then this video is for you. Make sure you keep watching until the end. The first thing I would do is to understand some basics in digital marketing. Yes, digital marketing is so practical, but trust me, if you got some basic concepts before you deep dive into the practical experience, that will make your learning curve so much faster. And why do I know this? Because I've learned the hard way. You don't need to understand everything in digital marketing at this stage, you just need to understand some basic concepts. And what I mean is, what are the key digital marketing channels like organic, paid channels, social media, affiliate, email, display, and what they actually means, and how digital marketing differs from traditional marketing, and why digital marketing is needed in the first place. How the digital marketing funnel works, like starting from top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel, and retention, and what some common key metrics in digital marketing, like conversion, traffic, conversion rate, bounce rate. So there are a lot of resources out there. Some are paid, some are free, like the Udemy, Coursera, BrainStation, even Google. They offer some free certification program, or you can just even Google it and you'll find a lot of resources. So spend some time and to do a little bit of research and find it. I also got a video talking about digital marketing 101. You can find the link below. The second thing I would definitely do earlier is to get some hands-on experience quickly. Of course, you can get some practical experience by getting a job, but chances are you're not probably able to get it until you got some experience, or unless you do it for free. It's a chicken and egg issue. Like for my case, I do have some experience in general marketing before I make the career switch to digital marketing. And that's why I always recommend the DIY, do-it-yourself approach, because that's the fastest way to get the hands-on experience. You don't need a job, you don't need clients, you just don't need pre-approval, because digital marketing is so practical that you can only fully understand it until you get the basics and you have actually done it yourself. My recommended approach is to build a website, and this website will be your learning field where you can apply anything that you have learned. So just get a domain and web hosting. You don't need to spend a lot of money here, just get something as cheap as you can get. It doesn't matter because this project is just for yourself to learn the key skills in digital marketing. You can find the hosting from some common hosting service provider like GoDaddy, Bluehost, FastCommerce. You can just get a random domain and start from there. And like in the case in FastCommerce, it just costs you $40 a year to get a domain, a web hosting, and also a WordPress CMS. And once you have the website, you can get a CMS and start building some content, like for example, doing some blog posts, setting up a landing page, and some popular options include WordPress, Wix, or you can go for a more advanced option like Webflow. And then you need to set up the web analytics, so to start tracking the traffic data and also user behavior events. And the best option I always recommend is Google Analytics because it's free, it's easy to set up and integrate within the Google ecosystem. And then you can install the Google Search Consoles to start collecting the organic search data. You can check out the Google documentation to learn the installation step by step. And then once you get your website up and running, you can start analyzing different traffic sources, get to know about SEO and funnel optimization. And if your budget allows, you can even spend a little bit of budget to set up a Google Ads or Facebook Ads campaign, and just to know how to install the conversion tracking yourself, do the ad targeting and writing ad copies. You don't need to run the campaigns for months, you just run it just to understand what it takes to set up a basic ad campaign. You can even set up a newsletter subscription, learn how to write an email and trigger the send as your audience subscribe. So basically, you get yourself exposed to the entire digital marketing funnel activities, from top of funnel, middle funnel, bottom funnel. And this learning project may take you a few months or more depending on your time commitment, and it can become one of your portfolio projects, so why not? The best marketer that I know, they always have some side projects or what I call learning projects, just for the sake of learning or personal growth purpose. And the best thing is, through this process, you get a deeper understanding which area in digital marketing interests you. Is it SEO? Is it paid channels? Is it web development? Is it UX? And combined with the basic concept that you've learned in the first place, you get clarity on where to start and evolve your skill set to become a t-shirt marketer or whether you want to choose one specific area and deep dive. If you don't know what's a t-shirt marketer, you can check out my video on Growth Marketing 101. For example, like my case, I was truly fascinated by SEO at the beginning, but then I started to evolve to learn also paid ads, media buying, UX, conversion optimization. And trust me, you really won't know which part in digital marketing clicks you until you're actually doing it. The third thing I would do is to connect with the community. Most of the people will tell you to get engaged with the local community, connect with some local experts. I would say that's also true, but over the years, I realized what makes digital marketing really stand out is that it is a global transferable skills. It's not really bound by location. And that means you should aim to connect with the global community instead of just local. First, follow some marketing top voices or practitioners on LinkedIn. Get their first-hand perspective, understand the lesson learned, successful strategy implement, get inspiration and implement yours. You can just simply do a Google search and you will pop up a lot of results. I've also included some links in the description below. The second way is to get connected and chat with other digital marketing practitioners. This is something I would definitely have done sooner because you can always get some new perspective from just talking to other experts, especially if they're already ahead of you on the journey. You can start from a local area and search for digital marketing, but don't just limit to your local area. Check their profile and find any similarities between your journey and theirs. Send them a virtual coffee invite with a personalized message on LinkedIn. Learn from their journey, hear their challenges and how they overcome it. Even if you're a non-premium user, you can still send 10 personalized connection requests on LinkedIn per month. Your invite may not get a response all the time, but from experience, there are certainly more people who are willing to chat with you than those who don't. The third way is to find a mentor. So through my career journey, I've been playing a role of being a mentor, either to early marketers on my team or to senior executives, teaching them digital marketing knowledge. So now looking back, if I need to start earlier, I would definitely also find a mentor for myself early on, where I can ask a lot of questions, getting guidance or clarity on my path. Again, you can start finding your mentor by doing some personalized outreaching on LinkedIn. Alternatively, I also recommend Growth Mentor, which is a global community gathering growth and digital marketing practitioners around the world. And you can find your mentors by matching some of the skills or particular role that you're interested in and schedule a chat with them. And did you know what's the side bonus of this? It boosts your confidence because every time when you connect with someone who are on a similar journey as you, it gives you the confidence and courage to keep going. And that kind of support will be so important to accelerate your learning curve while you're in the early stage of your journey. The fourth thing I would do is to establish a daily 15 minutes learning habit. Don't be scared by the word learning habit. What it really means is complete immersion in digital marketing knowledge. Even though I've been in digital marketing for many years, I'm still learning every day. Because digital marketing is changing so fast, so you need to keep yourself updated to the latest news and trends. For example, like search algorithm updates, app platform new features roll out, new technical stuff. And very soon I started my career as a digital marketer. I realized how much I need to keep myself updated to the fast pacing of digital marketing. So I created a list of resourceful blog and news media site about digital marketing, where I can check on daily basis and make sure I keep myself updated. You can even categorize these resources into different folders just to keep them organized. So some of the lists include like Search Engine Lens, Search Engine Journal, HubSpot Marketing Blog, Search Roundtable, Content Marketing Institute. I also subscribe to different digital marketing and growth newsletters, taking notes where I need to get some new ideas and inspiration. So start building a daily habit of consuming different digital marketing knowledge or updates in any form. It can be a blog, it can be a newsletter, it can be a podcast. You don't need to spend a long time on this, and I recommend no more than 15 minutes a day. And as time goes by, it will become your habit and you will be more sensitive to new knowledge. If you don't have any new ideas on where to start, I also include some resources in the description. The last thing I would definitely start sooner is to hone my content marketing skills more intentionally. As I got more experience in digital marketing, I realized no matter which area I'm in, I need good content. If we unpack everything for digital marketing tactic, it's really the content that communicate, convince, and persuade your audience to take an action. If you do PPC, you need good content. If you do social media, you need good content. If you do SEO, you definitely need good content. Even like what I'm doing right now, a YouTube channel, I still need good content in order to get your attention. So if you want to learn digital marketing, start to understand how to write good content earlier. This will also help you to get more strategic earlier on your journey and make your digital marketing effort way more effective along the way. But don't get confused about content marketing and copywriting. Content marketing is really the strategic approach on how you can engage with your target audience and drive a long-term growth, while copywriting is really about how to make the copy more compelling and then urge an immediate action from your audience. So learning content marketing involves understanding what is some key common content format in digital marketing, how content can serve different digital marketing purpose. For example, building the brand, generating leads, driving customer loyalty, and then how this content can fit into different digital marketing channels, and what defines a good piece of content. Then you should aim to practice it. So there are a lot of ways to practice your content marketing skills, like researching on your target audience, writing a blog post, start posting on LinkedIn or Facebook, or building a landing page for a campaign that converts. So don't just aim to learn the digital marketing tactics or technology. Also spend some time to learn how to write a good content at the beginning. And this is particularly important under the AI influence, because while AI can produce content super fast right now, it still requires human judgment, because only you as a digital marketer understand your audience pain point and understand how to really craft a resonating content that keep your audience engaged. I hope you find this video helpful if you're just starting out your digital marketing journey. Remember, stay curious, keep learning, and most importantly, take action by practicing. Your journey in digital marketing is just beginning, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.